Design your own caster to fit your project needs. Let's take a look at how the Caster Concepts Custom Configurator makes it easy for engineers and CAD designers to download the exact product they need directly into their design. From Caster Concepts homepage, click CAD Models. Next, log in or create a free account so that you can access the configurator and download free products. Here, you can specify your product measurements by adjusting the sliders and selecting from the drop-down options. Or, you can browse for a product based on the product family or series. When you submit your product specs, the Custom CAD Configurator will populate which products match your design needs. Then, choose which one you'd like to download. In the configurator window, you can again adjust your product in more detail. On the right, you also see an interactive 3D preview of your design product, which you can move and zoom within the window. When you're ready to download the product, click the CAD Download tab. Click the CAD Download button and choose from over 100 CAD formats and versions to download your product as a native CAD file. You also receive a free PDF datasheet, which makes sharing product data and 3D visualization easy for the whole team. Finally, click Start Download. Now you can test your custom caster directly in your design. For more great products, go to casterconcepts.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn how your company can provide custom 3D CAD models to your customers on demand.